Thank you for joining me here today at Property Management Pros. We are at 967 Highland Street in Columbus, Ohio. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath with over 1,400 square feet of fine living. As we enter into the home, we come into the formal dining room area. This home offers throughout the house beautiful chandeliers and hardwood flooring. As we make our way through the home, we come into the living room. The fireplaces are for decoration only. They are not operable. We make our way back through the dining room, which leads us into the kitchen. The kitchen offers granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, tall cabinets with lots of storage. We have a sitting desk with marble top, more storage. Off the kitchen is a half bathroom. Off the kitchen in the back is a nice fenced-in patio, 2-car garage. We will make our way back through the kitchen. The kitchen does also offer a sitting area, little breakfast nook. You can visit us at www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com or by calling us at 614-505-6212. We will make our way upstairs. The first room that we will be coming to is the master bedroom. This is a nice size room. Again, it does offer a decorative fireplace. We'll make our way back through to the second bedroom. This home is a beautiful Victorian home with lots of upgrades. Very closely located to I-670. OSU campus, lots of restaurants, shopping, and entertainment. So we come down the hallway here, we're going to continue straight. We're going to come into the third bedroom. This is the smaller of the three. This room also has the upstairs washer and dryer, stackable units. This does have a beautiful French door. As we make our way out of the third bedroom, we do come to the bathroom. As you can see, the bathtub still has the claw bathtub. Wonderful feature. Nice linen closet. Again, you can schedule a tour by giving us a call at 614-505-6212 or by visiting our website at www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. I thank you for taking this tour today of 967 Highland Street in Columbus, Ohio. A beautiful 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, over 1,400 square feet of fine living. And again, you can reach us at 614-505-6212 or at www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. We thank you for taking this tour today, and we hope to hear from you soon.